Now, back in the day, stop it, you set me up. Back in the day, do you remember Smell Cam? All those T-shirts that you used to have that were like scratching smells. Yeah. I mean, this is like coconutty,
chocolatey goodness.
It's just
got nuts and fruit in it, so it's pretty much one of your 5 a day as well.
It's a 5 a day, and it smells amazing. And it's got my name written all over it.
You can have that one.
It's melting in my fingers. I'm going to do this interview first, but I am so happy about this. This is going to make my day. Now, hi babe.
Hi.
So this is annoying because about 2 hours ago, not even, Candice was running the Great Festival Dash and didn't look quite this glamorous. And then I walked back of house and she just like gracefully sort of sauntered like she was a Power Ranger.
It's very claustrophobic and very tight. You know, and you say, have you got anything I can wear? And you get handed something. No, bring your own costume, Candice, otherwise you get stitched up as a yellow Power Ranger, which is very see-through, so thankfully I had some shorts.
What did that guy call you? Lemon drizzle?
Lemon drizzle. Bloody lemon drizzle. I'll take that actually.
Hey, but it's better than a lobster.
Oh, that lobster last year. That was bad planning. Hilarious, but bad planning.
And she actually had to go on stage dressed as a lobster as well, which is brilliant.
Yeah, that happened.
What is all of this? What have you been cooking?
Because we have been doing something. Yeah, I'm just like messing around just as a Power Ranger, like fighting crime and stuff. So I've just come off stage and I have made a Bakewell tart. So I swapped out the cherries and did a strawberry, pistachio and gin Bakewell tart. Filthy, yep. And then I made my Nan's Florentines. So
can I just back up to the Bakewell 1 second? Can I just ask, so is using gin when you're baking the same as using red wine when you're cooking? So you literally, if you don't want to drink it, you don't use it? Or can you just use whatever you want?
Yeah, you can use whatever you want. So this was just literally because strawberries are so in season, you get some lovely flavours from especially like the small batch gins. And I just think it adds a nice sort of like your gin jam and things like that. You don't want to put it in, you don't have to. And mix it up if you've got a nice liqueur or something you want to put in, or even things like cordials, like elderflower cordial and stuff like that works as well.
So she's married now, guys, so just back off, Liam's behind. He showed me some pictures in Hello magazine. Top moment.
Good enough for the royals. So.
top moment of your wedding?
Oh gosh, obviously getting married, but my red...
You passed?
Yeah, red Jules Alexander McQueen shoes that I wore.
What size are they?
You can borrow them if you like.
I'll squeeze in. I will be like the ugly sister who will squeeze her big fat foot into those shoes.
Oh, these shoes were, just like that. Da-da! Liam was like, how much were they? I went, don't ask. Don't. Like, we're walking across the field just getting married. I was like, look at my shoes. And he was like, I went, don't ask. It's fine. It's fine.
Hey, now listen. CarFest wouldn't be CarFest without you here. We're so used to you being here and we love it. But tell us why. If people are sat at home watching CarFest TV, why should they come and why should they be involved in it?
Do you know what? I'm just so lucky to keep getting asked back. So I must be doing something right. Like, it must have been last year in the Lobster. I think they just see what else they can put me in. No,
it's these biscuits, mate.
I can do it. Do you know what? It's just a lovely festival. Even like now, it's raining, but people are out in their droves and they just don't care and people get on with it. And there is something for everybody. There is music going on, there is food, there is drinks, there is incredible music later on. All Saints, I said it earlier and we had a little rendition of Never Ever, but like Kaiser Chiefs, Beverly Night last night was just incredible. There is something for everybody. So it's almost like you sort of go through the day and you have a drink and you see some big old trucks.
There was a moment that... She said trucks. There was a moment at the end though when Beverly Knight sang.
I think I winged a little bit. Yeah.
I mean, literally, I'm not doing it because Beverly Knight did it and was incredible.
So she just stood at the side watching Jackson's, and then Chris goes, Beverly, can you just a cappella, I Will Always Love You? And she sort of looks, and I thought they'd played a record. As she started, I think I weed a little bit. It was that good. Like,
it's amazing.
It was a spine-tingling moment. And that's what you get at CarFest. If that doesn't make you want to come, then I don't know what will.
Cheers.